Introducing the Flitz Premium Microfiber Polishing Cloth, your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless shine. Get more for less with our bonus pack, 4 microfibers for the price of 3. At a generous 16 by 16 inches, our microfiber cloth offers ample coverage for all your cleaning needs. Washable and reusable, this cloth can be laundered up to 500 times, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether it's windows or mirrors, our microfiber cloth delivers a streak-free, lint-free shine every time. Its electrostatic action swiftly removes dust, leaving surfaces gleaming with perfection. Thick and thirsty, this design ensures maximum absorption for a thorough clean. Perfect for any vehicle, around the house, or on any surface, the Flitz Premium Microfiber Polishing Cloth is a versatile must-have in your cleaning arsenal. Experience the brilliance of Flitz, where quality meets performance. Get yours today.